Hello students, good morning and you are most welcome on Sanskaram YouTube channel. This lecture is dedicated for 8th non-competition section, and in this video lecture we discuss on the first exercise of chapter first for non-competition section. So, we are start our exercise. First MCQ. Transplantation is done in case of, so we know that transplantation is done in case of paddy crops, Our second MCQ, the process of cultivation of fruit and vegetable is called horticulture, Green Revolution refer to tremendous increase in the production of crops. Which one of these is a plantation crop? Coffee is a plantation crop, or cotton, coffee and cotton both are plantation crops, but we decide the coffee. Fifth, the first step involved in cultivation is, our first step in the cultivation is preparation of soil. Drip system of irrigation is used during irrigation. Drip system used in irrigation. Which of the following is a weedicide? Simagen, it's a weedicide. Our next MCQ, number 8, which of the following is a post harvesting technique? Post harvesting weeding. The large MCQ number 9, the large scale rearing of honeybee is called apiculture, Now, our fill-ups. Cultivator is a tractor implement used for plugging. First fill-ups, cultivator is a tractor implement used for plugging. Second, the fill-up are nutrient specific, the fertilizer are nutrient specific. Third, improve the soil texture, manure improve the soil texture. Fourth, seed drill help in uniform sowing of the seed. In fourth fill-ups, seed drill help in uniform sowing of seed. In fifth, threshing is the process of removing grain from the harvested crops. Threshing is the process of removing grain from the harvested crops. In sixth, waterlogging remove air from the soil. Next fill-up number 7. The water holding capacity of soil can be increased by adding manure. So, answer of 7 fill-ups, manure. 8. Fruit and vegetables store in fill-up for a long time. So, our answer is fruit and vegetables store in go down or cold storage for a longer time. Now, true false. First true false is the high yielding variety of seeds do not have any disadvantage. False, because high yielding variety of seed also have some disadvantages. Second, to improve the quality of crop, the hybridization technique is used. Yes, it's true. First false, second true. Third, separation of chaff from grain is called threshing. False. Fourth, the first step in the production of crop is plugging. True. Fifth, separating the grain from chaff and hay with the action of wind is called winnowing. Yes, it's true. Fifth, true. First, false. Second, true. Third, false. Fourth, true. Fifth, true. Sixth, nitrogen fixing bacteria live in root nodule of legume crops. Yes, it's true. Sixth, true. 7, weedicides and pesticides are not harmful to humans. False. They are harmful for human also. Winnowing can be done by a combine. Oh no, it's false. So we will revise true false once again. First, false. Second, true. Third, false. Fourth, true. Fifth, false. Fifth, true. Sixth, true. 7, false. 8th, false. Now match the columns. Match the columns. Water wheel. Water wheel used in irrigation. Yes. Sickle used in harvesting. Third, harrow used in weeding. Fourth, plank used in leveling. Drill, seed drill used in sowing the seeds. Used in sowing the seed. So first, D, irrigation. Water wheel, irrigation. Sickle, harvesting. C, harrow, weeding. B, plank, leveling. E, drill, sowing. A. Now write one word answer. So our first question is here, active learning, leveling the field to rest for one season after harvesting one crop. It is called open field system. It is called open field system. So answer of first, open field system. Second, the rearing of animal on a large scale. Animal husbandry. Animal husbandry. Third, the cutting and gathering of mature crops. Harvesting. Fourth, the separation of grains from the harvested crop. Threshing. Make the diagram, plug, sickle and nitrogen cycle. So our exercise of chapter first is finished. I am also provide you the answer key of this exercise. So please be careful, and those students who have taken the books here, so please fill this exercise in your book, and who don't take the books, so please write down in your fair notebook. Thank you.